Hey, what's up, guys? Elegant Themes just dropped a major update of the interface most of us have been praying for in WordPress. The update is the DV5 Alpha, available for testing for existing Elegant Themes users. And while that lifetime update is still available, make sure you click the link in my description to get yourself a Divi lifetime license. This page builder is the future, guys, and I'll be creating more tutorials in future using the Divi Alpha. Obviously, it's still in testing. There's going to be a lot of trial and error, but I won't lie. But I look at things, we're heading somewhere. So I just installed the DV5 Alpha on my local host, and I want to show you guys the interface, right? Let's go straight to it. This is the local. Okay, as you can see here, I got it installed already. Now let's go to the home. Okay, quickly let's set the home page, and let's go to reading to set the home page, and go to static and go to pest control, save changes. Sweet. So now let's go to visit site. As you can see, it's blank, right? Okay, you know the drill. We're gonna say enable with edit with a DV, right? Look at it, guys. Look at it. As you can see on the left hand side, we got the layers. If you want to move icons up and down, wireframe view, action icon on hover, the setting features on the left hand side, and the feature I've been looking for, the right hand side edit tool, more like Photoshop. If you're a Photoshop user, you know what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and say add a layout. Okay, here as you can see, we can add our layouts, and it's just right here, okay, on the left hand side instead of this bottom. I just didn't like that. I was not sure if I didn't like it until this update. All right, so so now as you can see, we can add layouts here. And on the right hand side, we got the edit window. Okay, so as you can see here, when you go to content, we can edit our SEO settings on the right hand side. As you can see, this is the page control, this is the page title, pest control, and this is our design tab. This is where we can customize our padding, all that good stuff. And this is where we'll find our advanced settings. That's where we can do advanced things like custom CSS, visibility, transitions, all that cool stuff. Okay, so this is a first install for me, guys. I'm super excited, and I wanted to share this update with you. So we're gonna go ahead and select plus. This is where we can add our DV layouts. You just click on it, drag and drop it. It's that easy. All right, so let's go ahead and click on this one. Let's click on this one and say use this layout. Look at it, guys. This interface is just next level. Let's click use this layout, and import. Look at the interface. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Now let's click this camera on. I want to change text on here. Look at it, man. And we'll just go to design. Now you can see the design features for the text module. You can go to heading text. It's a H1 by the look of things. Let's make it red, man. Let's make it red. Now it's red, right? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Image. You can see that's the content, and go to design, and that's our design. Oh man, this, like, I won't lie, I always enjoy building websites using Divi, but this update will just make building sites way more fun. All right, so recommend, you guys, highly recommend, click the link in my description and get you a DV license. Even the yearly license gives you unlimited builds, which means it's still a great investment. And again, you can still get that lifetime license, guys, while it's still available. Divi is a great investment. I said it before. Go ahead and go to try the DV5 Alpha. Check it out, guys. Get Divi. Divi is the future. I'm out.